Hi, hello. Welcome to Chiguru, the learning route. I'm Rashmi. So, in my last video, I explained you about what is factorization, right? So, now I'm going to explain you that how to find the factorization, right? So, now I'm going to explain in this video that how to find the factorization. So there are two methods in this textbook. So one is factorization by taking out common factor. So first one is factorization by taking out common factor or factors. Second one, factorization by grouping. By grouping. Okay, so in this textbook they have given these two. Initially they have given these two methods to apply how to find the factorization, right? So let's come to the point. Let's learn first one, factorization by taking out common factors. Take one example, that is 4x square y plus 10 xy square. 4x square y plus 10 xy square. This is an example what I take. Okay, so now can you find the common factor here? Actually, in my last video, I explained you that how to split the numbers or how to split the factors. Right, now let's 2 into 2. So 4, I can write 2 into 2, right? Then how many times x repeated? 2 times. X into y plus 10. 2 5s are 2 into 5 into x into y. Right? This is how we have to split the terms. If we split the terms, then it will be very easy to find the common factors here. Okay, so which are the common here now? Yes, 2, 2, right? Then any other 2? No. Other 5? No. Here 1x, 1x. Then any another x? No. Then 1y, 1y. Then any another y? No, right? So, which are factors or the common factors in the both terms? Let's take out the common factor, that is 2xy. If I take 2xy as a common, then into remaining. In this term, which is the remaining factors? 2 into x. Is it? Plus, in that term, which is a common? 5 and y. 5y, right? This is the one how to factorization by taking out common factors, right? So now I've taken two terms. Let's go for three terms. 6x cube y square plus 8x square y cube plus 24 x cube y cube. Okay, so these are the three terms where I have taken as an example, just an example. After this example, we'll go for textbook examples. Okay, even though I will explain you about the textbook examples so that you will find easy to solve other problems. Right? Okay, so 6x cube y square plus 8x square y cube plus 24x cube and y cube. So what is the first step to taking out common factor? First and most step is we have to split the factors, right? Yes, 6, I can write 2 into 3, where we have to use prime numbers, right? Yeah. So 2 into 3 into, let's go x 3 times into y plus, okay, 4. 2 into 2 into 2, shall we? 2 into 2 into 2. How much it will be? Yes, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. X 2 times, y 3 times plus. So here there is no space to write. So I'm just writing down 24. So 24. So here 2, only 2 is a common. Shall I go for 2 into 12? Yes, let's check out. 2 into 12 into x into x into x into y into y into y. Right. So I split all the terms. Now we have to find the factors. Okay. So see here we have to find the factors. That means common factors in all the 3 terms. We have to find the common factors in all the 3 terms. Okay. Not only if you may find 2 terms common, but we should not take. Why? Because this is a trinomial. No. Yes. So 2 is a common 2 and 2. 3 it is a no. Here also no, right? Yeah. Then x. One time x. Here also one time. Here also one time. Here another time. Here, yeah. 2 time. 2 time of x. 2 time of x. Then any another x here will not find. We should not go for checking here. Okay. Then y. How many times y repeated? 2 times. So 2y, 2y, 2y. So this is about the common factor we have already taken. We have already rounding off. So let's go for which are the numbers we have rounded. So we'll take it as common 2 x square y square. 2x square y square are the common I have taken out. So now write in a bracket which are the left over here. 3x. So 3x plus here 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 left. That means 4y plus here 12xy left over, right? So 12xy. So any other number is a common to take a common factor? No, right? So this is how we have to find the factorization by taking common factors. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the textbook example problem. So example. So textbook examples. Okay. So what is the first one? First one is 5x square minus 10x. So what is the first step? Yes. So anyhow, 2 problems you learn how to split it off, right? So no issues that if you expert in taking your factors out, so no need of splitting that. We can go for directly. Okay. Yes. So 5x square minus 10x. So we'll go for. So which is the common here? 5. Shall I write 5? So shall I write 10? 5 into 2? Okay. So here 5 and 5 is common and 1x is common. So 5x. If I take 5x common, then x minus remaining is 2, right? 2. So 5x minus 2 are the factors of 5x square minus 10x, right? So next we'll go for second example. Yes. So the second example is 3x square y minus 6xy square plus 9xy. So these are the textbook example problems what I'm going to explain. Fine. So now in this 3 we can take 3 is a common. Yeah, 3 2s are 6, right? Here also we can take 3 as a common. 3 3 is a 9. Okay, we have taken 3 as a common. First we have to write the a given expression. So 3x square y 6 minus 6x y square plus 9xy. So 3x square y minus 6xy square plus 9xy. So in this we already know that 3 will be a common factor, right? Then here x. So all terms are having x is a common. So we'll take x out. And here y. Yeah. So one y as a common. We can take out one y as a common. So 3xy will be a common factors. Now, apart from 3xy, in first term, which is the remaining? So 3 already written, x one time already written, y also written. Remaining is x. So x minus. Right, which sign here? It's minus, right? And minus here, 3, 2s are 6. See how we have to find the factors. See here, 3, 2s are 6. 3, 2s are 6. Then x we already taken. And y one time we have taken. Remaining is 1y. Plus 3, 3 is a 9. 3, 3 is a 9. Then x we already taken. Y also we already taken as a common. Then remaining is only 3. So this is the factors of 3x square y minus 6xy square plus 9xy. This is how you have to find the factors by taking out common factors. Understood? Okay, fine. Next we'll go for next one. Next examples. Yes. Now, so this is the textbook examples. So textbook examples. Okay. So the first one is minus 10 a to the power of 4 x square minus 15 a to the power of 6 x to the power of 4 plus 20 a to the power of 7 and x to the power of 5. This is the first example, right? So let us know. So here one more thing I want to explain you that. So till here I explained about how to take a common factor by own method, by myself method what I implemented. So now in this just two problems I will explain you that how the textbook explained about taking a common factors, right? Fine, let's come to the point. So here 10 15 20, which number we can divide 10 15 20? Yes, it's 5. Okay, just the A. In all the terms, A is a common, which having a smallest power 4, 6, 7. So, which is the smallest power? So, first we'll go for it. First, we'll write on that. So, again, we'll write on that same thing minus 10 a to the power of 4 x square minus 15 a to the power of 6 x to the power of 4 plus 20 a to the power of 7 x to the power of 5. Divide each term with the common what I'm saying to you. So the 10, 15, 20 is a common number to divide all the 10, 15, 20 is 5. Right? 5. 5. Okay. Then a power 4, 6, 7, right? Which is the smallest one? Yes. A to the power of 4, a to the power of 4, a to the power of 4 will be a common for all the terms. Okay, now x to the power of 2, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5. Right, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5. Which is the smaller power? X square, right? So we'll divide that. X square, x square, x square. Okay, so now divide. And one more thing, here in the first term we are seeing that minus, no? So shall we take minus as a common? Yes, minus, minus, minus. So if I take a common, minus 5 a to the power of 4 x square. These are the common factors where I've taken the common. Okay, so divide. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. If we apply a to the power of 4, a to the power of 5 cancel. X square is cancelled. Minus, minus will get cancelled. Right, remaining is 2 here. Then minus. Minus into minus, plus. Here also minus, here also minus. Minus into minus, plus. So 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So a to the power of 4 and a to the power of 6. So a to the power of 6 minus 4 is 3. 3 a to the power of 2. Here also x to the power of 4 minus 2. That means we are applying exponent. We are applying the exponent laws. Which law is this? Yes, quotient law. X to the power of 4 minus 2 is x to the power of 2. Then now comes under this, plus into minus, minus, yes. Minus 5 ones are, 5 fours are. 4, a to the power of 7 minus 4 is a to the power of 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then x to the power of 5 minus 2 is x to the power of 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is the common factors. That means we have taken minus a5 a to the power of 4 x to the power of 2 as a common factor. Then remaining is 2, 3, 2 plus 3 to the power of 3 a square x square minus 4 a to the power of 3 and x cube. So these are the factors of given expression, that is 10 a to the power of 4 x square minus 15 a to the power of 6 x to the power of 4 plus 20 a to the power of 7 x to the power of 5. Right, let's come to the second example. 2x a plus b minus 3y into a plus b. So here So here 2x a plus b minus 3y a plus b. So while saying itself, can we say that which is a common here? Yes, obviously. So a plus b is the common. If we take out the a plus b as a common, first we'll write the same expression in the answers. 2x a plus b minus 3y a plus b. Okay, take out a plus b as a common into remaining is, so in this expression I've taken a plus b out, then remaining is 2x minus a plus b taken out, then remaining is 3y. So this is what common factors of given expression, that is 2x into a plus b minus 3y into a plus b. That we can write like this also.